Good morning, my fans all over the world, wherever you are watching me from. Those that have subscribed, all my subscriber returnees, those that are watching my video, God bless you all. I so much appreciate you guys. Especially the member of Nigeria Union. I greet you all. May God bless you all. Everyone that has subscribed for this channel, Fidelity Patrick YouTube, God Almighty will grant you your heart desire this year. It shall be well with you and your family. I bring greetings to you all. For some period now, I have not been able to make video because of my work and other things at hand. So, my people, I bring greetings to every one of you this morning. And I thank you all for all your support in making this channel to grow. For all those that are sharing my video. For all my well-wisher friends all over the world, I thank you. For those of you that have not yet come across my video, this is Fidelity Patrick YouTube channel. So please, if you have come across my video and you are not yet subscribed, you are my Facebook friends, please show love and subscribe for me. Subscribe for my YouTube channel. Let's show love for one another. Let's help each other to grow. That will make us to have a better place of life. So please, guys out there, support this Fidelity Patrick YouTube channel to grow. Subscribe, give us thumbs up, and also drop your comments, whatever you feel about the video I'm making. The reason why you see me, I'm not showing Nigeria videos or all those videos of people, because there are a lot of things happening. Some of them will be things that happened years back. Some people will still bring it and turn it to something else. So I don't like showing video. I only like to talk about what is happening and to tell you what the enemy are planning against our nation. So this morning, I want to talk to the government of Nigeria, because we all want a good country. If Africa is good today, everybody, the sons and daughters of Africa, will return home and come and make their continent a better place to live. So it's because the government are not really doing well. The African government are not really trying upon what we have in Africa. We have gold, we have silver, we have timber, we have oil, we have all mineral resources that one can think of. Apart from mineral resources, we have all type of fruits, all type of food in Africa that every other country need. We have leaves, herbs in Nigeria that people always come and take away without paying money to Africa continent. So today, I will be talking of my country, Nigeria, because everybody has seen the way things are going in that country. The solution is not yet discovered. The solution is very far away, because evil people, evil leaders are still the one leading us. Evil political leaders are still the one in office. That is why today I will first of all ask Muhammadu Buhari, how market insecurity that you preach about in 2015, in 2014 to 2015, Muhammadu Buhari and his follower, how market now? You see the seed you sow into Goodluck Jonathan's regime. That is what Buhari is reaping today. Somebody say, hey, Nigeria, Buhari regime is even the worst regime Nigeria have ever had. Buhari's regime. How market, Mr. President? How market Fashola in 6 months we will settle the life problem of Nigeria? Fashola, how market? Tinubu, how market? How market? Look at Nigeria now. Then Woishoika and all the rest that bring this problem to Nigeria now. Where are you people now? Don't you people come out to the street and make a protest again? Woishoika join protest to protest against a good president that be given to Nigeria. Good luck is better than Muhammadu Buhari in 100 times. Then Woishoika, Tinubu, Adam Soshomole, and all the rest. All the northern political evil leaders who create Boko Haram, who create herdsmen, who create bandits, enable them to destabilize Jonathan's regime to cause war. Now they are shouting that the machinery they bring from other country, and now the people killing people in Nigeria, killing Nigeria citizens. That's for you to know how corrupt, how evil Buhari is. Somebody will say Buhari is a man of integrity. Integrity by foot. How Buhari is a man of integrity? Buhari is a man of corruption. A man of destiny killer. Look at fuel in Nigeria today. Fuel prices have risen. They form all those things. They bring machinery from Niger and all the rest to ring election. Even at Atiku Abubakar's election, they ring it. Everybody know Buhari do not win. APC government do not win election. Look at Nigeria today. In Nigeria, all over the 36 states, there is nowhere in Nigeria where there is no sorrow, where there is no tears, where there is no bloodshed. Bloodshed everywhere. This do not happen in Jonathan's regime. When them Woishoika, when them Bukola Saraki, Dino Milaye, all of them fight against Goodluck Jonathan. Dino Milaye, Bukola Saraki, those guys are the architect of the problem of Nigeria, what we are passing through today. Fashola, Bukola Saraki, Atiku, Bukola Saraki, Fashola, Tinubu, Dino Milaye. What do they call it? Our great brother, our great father, Woishoika. Those are the people. Today, what do they call it? Bakari, Umbaka. All those men are the ones that deceive Nigerians. They deceive Nigerians and bring poisonous chemical to destroy Nigeria. Because Buhari is a poison. Now, today now, all of them are now shouting in one corner. Hey, why are you people shouting? Why are you people shouting? All of them in the House of Senate that gang up against Jonathan, the Muzo Kalu and all the rest. Where are you people now? Where is Keyamo? That one that called himself Keyamo, a youth that's supposed to stand for the development of Nigeria, a vibrant lawyer. A vibrant lawyer, a one that said he have vision. Where are they today? Where is the Madam Soshomole? Where is this the Madusalan? Where are they? Is it not time for protest now? A liter of a fuel 200 naira in Nigeria. In Nigeria, insecurity have become the worst. Why? The government of the day are the one sponsoring terrorism. In Nigeria, where a terrorist gumi, what do they call it? That gumi is a terrorist man who is now the window between the terrorist group and the Nigeria government. Because Nigeria government, they are terrorist group. Buhari regime is a terrorist group that the international community need to fish out. They are the ones sponsoring ISIS. They are the ones sponsoring Boko Haram. That they are the ones sponsoring bandits, herdsmen, to be killing people in Nigeria. They have succeeded in killing the Hausa Christians in Maduguri. They have succeeded killing of Christians in Nigeria. Yet, nothing has been done about it. Nigeria is in a mess. But what I want to say today is about we the youth. That we need to do something. This is not a time of saying this is Northerners, this is Igbo, this is Hausa, this is Yoruba. We need to come out, the youth. We need to come out to speak truth, to come out and defend our nation, because these old cargoes, they have failed us. Look at what is happening in Nigeria today. Every day, Boko Haram are killing people, herdsmen are killing people, bandits are killing people. They found gold in Zamfara, and the Zamfara said gold in Zamfara belonged to them. But they find oil in the south, and they said the south oil belonged to the government, belonged to everybody. Did you see what is going on in Nigeria? Did you see how the Northerners are be oppressing people in Nigeria? That everybody need to rise and say enough is enough for this evil perpetration in Nigeria. Look at what is happening, my brothers and sisters all over the world. President Muhammadu Buhari sowed this seed in Jonathan's regime. Now, in his regime he's reaping it in 100-folds. This is the man that Reverend Ubaka said is God answer to prayer. An evil man, a demonic man, a suicide bomber, terrorist organizer. That is God answer to Nigeria prayer. Really, it is opposite we're telling us. How can those men prove that they are men of God? How can they tell us that they are men of God? And they forget in the Bible, God said, the blessings I bring upon my people, I do not add sorrow or pains to it. My people, look at Nigeria. People are dying like flies every day. People are dying like chicken every day. People are dying just like that every day in the hands of terrorists in Nigeria. Because the group of the Buhari government, they are terrorist sponsors. They are terrorist organizers. They are terrorists himself. Where is the Moisho Ika now? Where are you guys? Where is Bukola Saraki now? I'm not trying to deal against Bukola Saraki. I just want him to realize the stage he has bring us in Nigeria. Because Bukola Saraki is also somebody that have tried. At the last, that he realized what he did was so much wrong. Look at it. Bukola Saraki had the opportunity to impeach Muhammadu Buhari for his first term. He refused to do it. That is why he go down. Because God wanted him to do so. He do not do it. Look at today. Look at Nigeria. Nigeria is in a mess all over the world. Nigeria government is in a mess. Not we the citizens of Nigeria. We the citizens of Nigeria are building Nigeria. Those in government are destroying Nigeria. I want you all to know, if you are a man, a woman in the government who contribute to this situation of Nigeria, your entire generation will be perished. Your entire family will be perished. Enough is enough for all this evil. That is for that, my people. I want you all to take a look of the situation in Nigeria today. That we the youth, it is time for you to start supporting your fellow youth. Not all those old cargo. We need to take over this government and eradicate them out. If we did do so, there will be no way for the generation to come. There will be no future for the generation to come, because those people are vampires. Those people are destiny killer. I told you people before that Buhari regime have nothing to contribute, have nothing to offer, rather to cause pains, hunger, destruction, killings in Nigeria. But today, is that not what is happening? That is 3 years ago video I made. Is that not what is happening? Then I don't even know what is Facebook. That I don't know how they are doing YouTube this thing. I just make a video and I share it on Facebook. Today, what is happening? Today, what is happening, my people? The youth, the future is in your hand. Let's stop discriminating. All of us have said what they are doing now is bad. We the youth, we need to work in ourselves. Why? Because we are the one that they are using. A governor want to make election now is the youth. How many old men that are voting on that voting day? How many of them on that voting day, their children will be in abroad, enjoying being in the best swimming pool, being in the best hotel, being in the best place, being in the best school study, while you and your family are in the field. Your wife is in the field. Your children is in the field. Your brothers is in the field, voting for looters and criminals and terrorists. How can this be a country? That is why I support this guy, Nnamdi Kanu. If not Nnamdi Kanu now, by now, the herdsmen could have rubbished everybody in the south, in the southeast, in the southwest. Calculate how numbers of people that herdsmen have killed. Have you what they said here? The government said they want to compensate those they burn their farm, they spread their crops. Have you what they said? One person from Northern come out and said, let's negotiate with the farmers. Now they decided to begin to chase those herdsmen away. The fact they came up and the Miati Allah and all the rest came out and said they need to be compensated. You know how much billions of naira they said to compensate them for their cow and the dead and the people that died. What of the people that the Fulani herdsmen have been killing? Have you compensated the family? Have you compensated the people that they burn their cross and burn their farm? They destroy people's house? Have you compensated them? Nigeria government. Evil terrorist group of Nigeria government. And those are the people the British government are supporting. Those are the people the British government are projecting to the citizen. My people all over the world. I want to sound this warning to British government. These pains, you are afflict the people of South, the Southwest, the Middle Belt. In this region you call Nigeria. The pains will soon be upon you people. You are trying to leave EU now. We are happy that you want to leave EU. You people should leave EU, jejeje. So that EU will not be a partaker of the evil that will fall upon you people. Europe will not be a partaker of the evil that will fall upon you people. Because you people know exactly what you did. Nigeria, we have oil. Who are the Chevron? Is it Nigeria that owns Chevron? Is it Nigeria that owns share? You people sit upon Nigeria economy, looting, using the evil criminal terrorists to be killing their people while looting our oil. No problem. So it is time we the youth, we come out and said enough is enough for the Fulani herdsmen, for the bandits, whosoever it is. Because those men are the organizer of terrorists in Nigeria, in Africa. Buhari government and his cabinet. Look at this man now, Ahmed Lawal. You are the Senate president now. How far, Ahmed Lawal? How is Nigeria? Is Nigeria that you are the speaker, the Senate speaker? You are controlling now, you are leading. Is it okay? Ahmed Lawal, how market? All of you sow this seed. all of you contribute to where we are today. To the extent Festus Keyamo said, even Buhari don't have certificate, that nobody have the right to question Buhari. Can you imagine? An educated lawyer, a barrister, Festus Keyamo. How far now? How is the government? They give you ministerial portfolio. How far? You have not been able to turn to you to make use of the office they give to you. No one is hearing your voice again. You are quiet. Those are the people that deceive Nigerians. Fashola. Those are the people that deceive Nigerians. Some celebrity joined them. That Jonathan must go. Jonathan has gone now. Look at the Nigeria. Ubaka said, Buhari is a God answer to prayer. Okay, Reverend Ubaka, how market now? Reverend Ubaka, how far? Is Nigeria a place of life now or a place of hell? If they ask me to classify Nigeria, Nigeria is a place of hell on earth. A place whereby there is no peace is a hell on earth. How market now? How market? Now bring this non-entity president to us. It's a non-entity president. Nigeria have never divided the way it is today. Nigeria have divided already. If you people don't know, Northerners are the one dividing Nigeria. And they will be telling you, Nigeria, people are dividing Nigeria. How can you call that place one Nigeria? When some part of the country are practicing Sharia law, the law of Nigeria does not prevail in that same part of Nigeria. And you say we are one Nigeria. Which one Nigeria? Edo, Delta, Port Harcourt. What are you people waiting for? Do you think this is one Nigeria? A time will come if you people do not do something. Those people will come back and what? And rubbish everybody in that place. Say one Nigeria. People are still singing one Nigeria. In this type of useless government, Nigeria government is a useless government. Nigeria constitution is a useless constitution. Nothing good about Nigeria constitution. They did it for the favor of some part of the country. That is why a Fulani herdsman will tell you they are the owner of Nigeria. That you have no right to drive them away even though they kill you in your house. Did you really have right? They will kill. Police will tell you those people they are innocent. Look at the one that the OPC arrest. Police, IG of police come out. That IG of police. Evil will fall upon you if you refuse to do the right thing. Evil will fall upon your entire family. Because the stage Nigeria is now, we need somebody to speak the truth, to come out and stand for the truth, so that there will be liberation in Nigeria. People are smiling and dying in Nigeria every day. Hunger in the land. Look at what is happening. I watched a video that day that a woman eating human being, eating human life. Different things are happening in that country. A woman killing people, roasting them and eating them in Nigeria. Where are we going in that country? Where is the pride of that land? A land that blessed with milk and honey. A land that have all it takes to take care of the whole world. They are backward in all things. Why? Because of bad leaders, evil leaders, terrorist leaders. Do the international community, America, will tell us that they don't know that Buhari is a terrorist organizer, that is a terrorist group? Look at what is happening in Nigeria. They throw away good Lord Jonathan. Today, look at the Nigeria. Everybody is hearing it hot. Everybody there. That is why at times I will be happy about it. It's good they experience this. When you are telling them something, Nigeria people, today now they have learned a lesson in what happened. Why they remove Jonathan and bring evil president, evil people, APC, they are destroyer. Today, they are still happy. Nobody is protesting. The youth that come out in Lekki Gate and all over, you see what happened to them. My people all over the world. We need to do something. There is something to do. If the whole people came out in mass, no walk, no movement, nothing, and said Buhari must leave today, Buhari must leave. If the whole people come out, when they remove Buhari in power, this nonsense will stop. And not only to remove them, they should imprison them, send them to jail. Send them to jail. Send them to jail. Evil Obasanjo allow this evil to happen. Upon no, the battle Obasanjo go in the hands of what? The Northerners. During the time of their regime, there is no Christian, there is no church in Aso Rock. It is Obasanjo that came and said, what? Obasanjo built church in Aso Rock. Today, I don't know whether that church is still existing in Aso Rock. But at the end, Obasanjo allowed, because of greediness, selfishness, he allowed evil people to take over power in Nigeria. Today, the same Obasanjo is shouting up and down, and nobody's hearing him again, because we were there when they plan this evil upon Nigerians. Citizens have no freedom again. Citizens have no freedom of speech again. Citizens have no freedom of movement again. In Nigeria, there is no security, there is no protection, there is no light, there is no good road, no education. Although we have good education standard, which we don't even value. My people all over the world, it is time for us to rise. It is time for everyone to begin to speak to truth to power. Let there be change. When they cannot make a change, let Nigeria divide. When they cannot make a change, let Nigeria divide. Nigeria government is a scam. They are looters, they are criminals. Nigeria government, they are terrorists. My people all over the world, please, let's do something. If you want to save your people who are there in that so-called Nigeria, no wonder now they call it Zoom Republic of Nigeria. It's a Zoom. Look at the way they are behaving. All those army you send to Olu, why don't you send them to Boko Haram? All those helicopters, all those war jets, why don't you send them to Boko Haram? That you allow Boko Haram to be killing our soldiers like a fowl. Our army are dying in the hands of Boko Haram like a fowl. Because they have what? Inflict our security agency. Our army. I said they do refine in our military. Military have been destroyed. Nigeria is a country whereby a Niger person will become an army in Nigeria. Nigeria is a country where a Mali person will become an army in Nigeria in the name of Islamic religion. In the name of Islamic religion. Where are we going? Today, Boko Haram is the largest group in Nigeria army. That is why the army are not succeeding. Some of the Boko Haram army, they can even send them, follow them to war. And those ones will stand at the back and finish our army and said it is Boko Haram. Nigeria have worst to that extent. Evil in Nigeria government. Buhari have disappointed everybody. Buhari forget is an old man who close to the ancestor. A period that you will use to do good for your soul to be accepted when you die. Buhari will bring curse upon his entire family. Buhari will bring curse, pains to Nigerians. So, my brothers and sisters all over the world, let everybody rise and decide. Either they change or Nigeria divided. Either they change or Nigeria divided into 3 places. Not 1, not 2. Into 3 places. The Northerners should go on their own. The Northerners should go on their own. They are talking of, say, cow. They want to stop cow. Did you know what those Fulani herdsmen are doing with their cow? They sleep with their cows. How can a human being sleeping with animal and you call that a something that is accepted in the country? It's an abomination before God, and it's an abomination before humanity. May God bless you all. This is Fidelity Patrick YouTube channel. As you watch this video, please share. God bless you. Bye for now.